By grace of Jagadguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj, a 2-week-long sadhana shivir is organized at Radha Madhav Dham every year to remind devotees about the true aim of human life and make progress in sadhana and seva. There are some devotees who had the great fortune of meeting Sri Maharaj Ji. They heard him, served him, and carry memories beyond value. Their sadhana today, however, is not as regular and as strong as they would like for it to be. There are others who never met Maharaj Ji, but developed deep longing through his divine lectures and kirtans. And there are some who came later and quietly wonder, if only I had seen Maharaj Ji once, maybe my devotion would be different. In reality, meeting Maharaj Ji alone is not enough. The scriptures say, Agya sam susahib na seva. A real progress begins when a soul truly surrenders, lives by Guru's Agya, and sincerely practices sadhana as instructed by the Guru.
चलो आज का काम तो हो गया. Now I should start my sadhana.
कर ले मना राधा अरु राधा रमना
सुमिरन कर ले मना.
Arey, what am I doing? Maharaji says I should do Roop Dhyan during Kirtan. बस एक और मैसेज, लास्ट वन, पक्का. देन आई विल फोकस.
Last one? Wow, wow, wow. You said the same thing 15 minutes ago. Your phone has better nishtha than you.
Looks like someone sent Radhe Radhe in the group. ये तो spiritual notification है. चेक करना चाहिए.
अरे ये मेरे थॉट्स भी ना. Even my mind has learned devotional language to deceive me. Oh, Maharaj Ji, I wish I had met you. फिर मेरा भी devotion पक्का होता. My mind wouldn't have wandered while doing sadhana.
Look, Sevika Didi has met Maharaj Ji. How lucky she is.
Since you have not met him, maybe that is why your sadhana is not as good.
Radhe Radhe Sevika Didi. You are so lucky. You met Maharaj Ji. I never met him. I feel so disconnected. So many devotees have had such close association of Maharaj Ji. Surely they must be progressing quickly on this path.
नॉट रियली, ऐसा नहीं है आशा. मीटिंग महाराज जी is a great grace, but association becomes fruitful only when Guru's instructions are practiced. Some saw Maharaj Ji and became surrendered. If someone met Maharaj Ji but became careless in following his instructions, even physical association does not really have a meaningful impact. Let's not compare ourselves with anyone else. Instead, let's ask ourselves, are we following Maharaj Ji's Agya?
But if Maharaji was physically here and told me, do Roop Dhyan, I would do it.
Would you?
Course.
Every day?
I would try.
With every breath, would you take Radhe name?
I would try.
And during Kirtan, would you do Roop Dhyan instead of only singing?
Well, that is hard.
Then be honest. The reality is not that Maharaj Ji is physically absent. Our challenge is that his Agya is present, but we are careless in following it.
That's true. I have even heard Maharaji say that. लेकिन क्या करूं? What can I do?
Don't be disheartened. तुम्हारा तो नाम ही आशा है, फिर ये निराशा कैसी? Guru is not just limited to his physical body. Maharaj Ji's speeches, kirtans, books, dham and agya still carry his grace. They are his presence. Guru's agya is his true living association.
I've heard that so many times. लेकिन मेरे से तो फिर भी नहीं होता है. I still struggle.
Throughout history, there are examples of saints who received just one instruction, just one glimpse of their Guru, and that was enough for them. Come, let me share their inspiring journey.
Shabri was born in a simple tribal family. By the grace of God, she came to the shelter of Matang Rishi.
Pranam Gurudev. Shabri, I am very pleased with your seva. But now, it's time for me to leave this material world.
Gurudev, please do not leave me. Without you, who will guide me?
Why do you think I will leave you, Shabri? Guru never leaves the soul who sincerely follows his Akya.
But Gurudev, how will I live without your physical presence?
Shabri, clean the ashram daily. Keep the path ready. Keep your heart ready. One day, Sri Ram will come here. Serve him with love.
Shri Ram? Will Prabhu Shri Ram really come to this lowly one?
Guru's words never go in vain. Do not look at your qualifications, Shabri. Look at your Guru's grace.
Jo Agya Gurudev, I will wait. I will clean the path every day and remember your words in my heart all the time.
Days passed, months passed, years passed. Her Guru was no longer physically before her, but his words became her life. She received one promise: no date, no time, no explanation. Every morning, she swept the path as her Guru told her.
Shabari, Shabari, so many years have passed. How long will you keep doing this? Your Guru is gone.
My Guru is not gone. His Agya is still with me. He told me Shri Ram will come.
Acha. But when will he come?
Gurudev did not tell me when. He only told me that Shri Ram will come.
What if Ram never comes?
Then I will still spend my life obeying my Guru's instruction. What better use is there for this body anyway? Ram, 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 Meri Ram, Shri Ram, Ram, Ram.
Shabri did not say, "Today I am tired. I will do it tomorrow." She knew only one thing. Guru said, Ram will come. So, every day became preparation.
Ram, Prabhu Ram, आप आ गए? My Gurudev said you would come.
माता, आपके गुरु की कृपा और आपकी संपूर्ण शरणागति से ये संभव हुआ है. Your Guru's grace and your steadfast faith have brought me here.
Prabhu, I have nothing. I only kept doing what Gurudev told me. I cleaned the path, but now I know that Gurudev was cleaning my heart.
The one who follows Guru's Agya is never alone.
तव पद पंकज प्रीति निरंतर साधन कर यह फल सुंदर। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। हो अब प्रभु कृपा करहु एहि भांति, सब तज भजन करो दिन राति। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
Didi, Shabri had one agya and she lived by it? She swept every day? Really? Her whole life?
Yes, she did. That is where we are lacking. We negotiate with Maharajji's instructions per our convenience. But Shabri didn't. She didn't say, "Let me skip today. I just swept yesterday. It already looks clean." She followed Guru's instructions with full faith.
Didi, but Shabri was living in a jungle. She was alone. She didn't have a family. I live in this world. I work. I have family obligations. It feels impossible to do all this.
नहीं आशा, impossible तो ये है ही नहीं. Look at Mirabai. She lived in the world, yet had single-minded devotion to her Giridhar.
Mirabai was born in a royal family. Around her were palace customs, honor, reputation, and family expectations. But her heart had accepted only one truth, given to her by her Guru. Giridhar Gopal alone is mine. The world wanted her attention. Giridhar held her soul.
मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल, दूसरो ना कोई। मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल, दूसरो ना कोई। मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल, दूसरो ना कोई।
Again, you're sitting here? Guests have come. The whole palace program is at a standstill.
I am with my Giridhar. I cannot come now.
So, who will take care of the guests?
Ask Giridhar.
Your Giridhar Gopal may be very kind, but he will not take care of guests today.
Meera is where she belongs.
But Baisa, people are talking. They say you have forgotten your family honor.
My Guru has reminded me who is truly mine, and I haven't forgotten that.
वस्तुव मालिक दे मेरे सतगुरु वस्तुव मालिक दे मेरे सतगुरु कृपा कर अपनायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई जग में सभी को पायो पायो जी मैंने जग में सभी को पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने
But I don't understand. Why do you cry in front of this murti as if you have nothing? You have everything: wealth, family, respect, servants.
महल वैभव मान सब बिनु गिरिधर बेकार गिरिधर संग एकांत भी लागे मधुर संसार. Without Giridhar, all this is nothing, and with Giridhar, even loneliness is complete.
But this murti does not speak to you like we speak. It does not walk with you like we walk.
तुम्हारे लिए ये एक पत्थर की मूर्ति है. For me, this is my prana vallabh.
Please be practical, Baisa. थोड़ी दुनिया भी देख लो. Live like others live.
This is what frightens me. Everyone says, live like others. But who among them is free from sorrow?
बाइसा, ऐसे तो आपको दुख ही दुख मिलेगा.
If the world gives me pain for loving him, that pain is also sweet. If Giridhar is pleased, what more do I need?
And what if everyone leaves you?
My Giridhar will always be with me.
Baisa, the world will call you mad.
The world is mad for Maya. If Meera becomes mad for Giridhar, what is the loss?
Meera did not remember Krishna only when conditions were pleasant. Whether in palace, receiving criticism, or being lonely, she held the treasure her Guru gave her. Her mind returned to Giridhar again and again.
Why run after those who will leave you? your true beloved, His only Sri Krishna. Hold His name, cry for Him, sing for Him, live for Him. You say, I am alone because I did not see my Guru? Become alone with His words once. Then you will see He was never away. You say, the world pulls my mind? Let it pull. You hold Giridhar more tightly.
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
कर ले मना राधा अरु राधा रमना।
Asha, your phone is buzzing again. Just check quickly.
Huh? You can still do kirtan while checking messages. After all, Maharaj Ji is everywhere. फोन में भी, लैपटॉप में भी और सोशल मीडिया पे भी.
Yeah, that is true. Maharaji is everywhere.
Yes, Maharaji is everywhere. But is your mind with him everywhere?
No, Didi.
Then do not use philosophy to justify carelessness. Meera lived in a palace, but her heart was always in Shri Krishna. We sit in front of Shri Maharaj Ji, but our mind is in the world.
दीदी, ये तो थोड़ा ज्यादा ही डायरेक्ट था.
Truth is sometimes direct. देखो, महाराज जी ने हमको कितना दिया है. महाराज जी has given us so much devotional material and we can access it all readily. There was a time when people waited their whole life to be even accepted by their Guru. You must have heard of Kabir. Do you know how he found his Guru?
In Kashi lived the great saint Swami Ramanand. Kabir desired only one thing: to make Ramanand ji his Guru and receive Ram Naam. Customs and social barriers of the time stood in the way. Kabir was not accepted easily.
Gurudev, please accept me. All I want is Ram Naam from you. I want to be your disciple.
Kabir, stand back. Guruji cannot accept everyone.
I do not want position, honor, or wealth. I only want Guru's shelter.
But you are a weaver. There are rules and customs. Samaj kya kahega?
If society gives me a name, it is temporary. If Guru gives me Ram Naam, it is eternal.
Go now. Do not trouble Gurudev.
Hey Ram, if I am not worthy, please make me worthy. If I cannot reach Guru by my own strength, please let Guru's grace reach me.
Rejection did not make Kabir bitter. It made him more determined. Kabir thought, if I cannot receive mantra in the usual way, let me try an unusual way.
It has been so many days, and Guruji has not yet accepted me. What do I do? I know. I will lie quietly on the path where Gurudev walks. If his holy feet touch me and Ram Naam comes from his mouth, my life will be blessed.
One day, early in the morning, Swami Ramanand went to bathe in Gangaji.
अरे राम राम राम.
I have received it.
Who is there?
Your servant, Kabir Gurudev. You said Ram Ram Ram. That is my mantra. That is my life now.
Kabir, this is not the proper way.
Well, for a hungry soul, Guru's word is nourishment. Does hunger wait for proper plates?
But Gurudev did not formally initiate you.
One word from Guru's mouth is enough if the disciple holds it with his life.
Kabir, your longing has accepted what others may not understand. Ram Naam has entered your heart. Hold it with every breath.
Jo Agya Gurudev. From today, my every breath will say Ram.
Naam is not just a sound. Naam is shelter, purification, and life. While you live in the world, do not let the world live in your mind.
Ram, Ram, Ram.
Kabir, you chant all day. Don't you have work to do?
This body works, but the mind remembers Ram.
But when I work, my mind goes into the work. When I'm insulted, my mind goes into the anger. How can someone remember God all the time?
Practice. When the thread breaks, Do you throw away the cloth?
No. I join the thread and continue.
Exactly. So when your mind breaks away from Ram Nam, join it again and continue.
But my mind breaks hundreds of times.
Then bring it back hundreds of times. Forgetting is one mistake. Stopping and then becoming hopeless is the second. You say, "It is hard to remember God's name with every breath." Who told you to become perfect today? Begin today. The name will slowly color the mind. Ram, Ram, Ram.
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाए। गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाए। बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए।
Didi, Kabir was not even accepted by his guru at first?
Yes, but he was determined. He accepted accidental words as Guru Mantra. And our Maharaj Ji accepts everyone so easily. Maharaj Ji has said that if someone only listens to his speech sincerely without meeting him, he resides in their hearts and protects their devotion.
Didi, hearing Kabir's determination, I am inspired to practice Radhe Naam with every breath. But what if I fail again?
Don't worry, just begin. One breath, then another. Following Guru's Agya will slowly start filling the mind with his grace.
अगर 100 बार रूप ध्यान बनाया और एक बार बना बहुत है, हिम्मत करो आगे। दूसरी बार जब 100 बार करोगे तो 2 बार होगा, फिर 3 बार होगा, फिर होने लगेगा। पहले करना फिर होना, पहले प्रैक्टिस फिर हैबिट, नेचुरलिटी।
Maharaj Ji, please help me. Please help me take Radhe Naam with every breath. Didi, I understand the philosophy about how Maharaj Ji is present in his Agya and that he is with me if I follow it sincerely. But my mind still keeps wondering, what if I could have seen Maharaj Ji?
I understand. मैं समझ रही हूँ आशा. But what we have today is nothing less. We have thousands of Maharaj Ji's pictures, speeches and videos. Through technology, we can see him, hear directly from him and do Roop Dhyan whenever we want. Let me tell you about the journey of a saint who had none of that and still went on to become one of the greatest acharya of bhakti.
Sri Jeev Goswami was very young when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Ramkeli and graced Roop and Sanatan Goswami. Jeev received only a glimpse, but that glimpse entered his heart. Later, his father and uncles left home to serve Mahaprabhuji. Jeev was left behind. But that one glimpse did not fade. It became longing.
भजहूँ रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभयो चरुणारविंद रे श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण बंदन पाद सेवन दासी रे पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन हरिपद अभिलाषी रे भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरणरविंद रे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म सत सहे करह रे भव सिंधु रे भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरणरविंद रे
हे कृष्ण, हे महाप्रभु, हे चैतन्य, my father and uncles have gone to serve Mahaprabhuji. My heart also wants to serve him. How can I remain here? Prabhu, Kripa Prabhu.
Jeev Goswami left home for his studies, but his real desire was Guru's shelter. He met Nityanand Prabhu and went to Vrindavan and accepted Roop Goswami as his Guru.
केशव गुरु करुणा दिने कुंज कानन चारी केशव गुरु करुणा दिने कुंज कानन चारी माधव मन मोहन मोहन मुरली धारी माधव मन मोहन मोहन मुरली धारी केशव गुरु करुणा दिने कुंज कानन चारी हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल।
Pranam Gurudev.
Jeev, what brings you here with such longing?
Gurudev, in my childhood, I saw Mahaprabhuji, but since then, my heart has not belonged to this world. I want to understand his teachings and serve his mission.
Only a glimpse created this much longing?
Nahi, Gurudev. It was not just a glimpse. It was grace personified.
Many see saints, hear their words repeatedly, and even serve them. Still, their lives do not change. But look at you.
Gurudev, Mahaprabhuji never spoke to me. I did not hear his words. I never saw him again. But I firmly held onto that one glimpse. I did not let it become a memory.
Jeev, Mahaprabhuji is never away from the one who remembers him. Following Agya and practicing devotion according to his instructions is his true association. वो ही सच्चा संग है. As a result of your constant remembrance, it is only Mahaprabhuji's grace that has created this intense longing in your heart. अब तुम क्या करोगे? What will you do now?
Gurudev, I will serve Mahaprabhuji's mission. I will study. I will spread his teachings. I will walk on the path shown by Mahaprabhuji with full determination. I will not let this human life go in vain.
Physical association is a great fortune, but it is not meant for nostalgia. It is meant to create surrender. If one glimpse creates lifelong surrender, it is enough. If thousands of meetings do not create surrender, what was gained?
Shabari had one promise. Meera had one beloved. Kabir had one mantra. Jeev Goswami had one glimpse. I have so much, but I keep saying I need something more. Guru's physical form may not be before my eyes, but Guru is always present in remembrance, longing, and his agya.
Asha, now you are seeing clearly. Those who had Maharajji's physical association must not live only in memories. Those who did not see him physically must not live in regret. Both must follow his agya and practice sadhana.
Oh Maharaj Ji, you have accepted me? this fallen soul? I have been so dishonest with myself. I kept saying, I never met you. But I see you every day. I hear your divine voice every day. Your instructions are so clear. Take Radhe Naam, do Roop Dhyan, shed tears of longing, keep Hari Guru with you. See Radha Krishna in everyone. Do not waste this human life. Do satsang. Come to the Dham again and again. You have given so much, and I kept saying, I don't know what to do. Didi, I know this path is correct. I have no doubt about Maharajji. But my problem is carelessness. What should I do? What should I do practically? I do get inspired. Then after a few days, I fall back again.
Asha, practice is the only way. We have to practice. Bring Maharajji in everything, whatever you do. As soon as you wake up, think of Radharani first. Offer the food to Hari Guru before eating. Take Radhe name with every breath. While working, we should remember they are always watching. When anger or jealousy comes, we must see Radha Krishna in that person. Before sleeping, we should ask for their forgiveness, and we should beg for their kripa.
Yes, Didi. These are such simple, practical points Maharajji has given us. But it is not easy.
Yes, it is not easy, but Maharajji has said himself, with practice, everything is possible. Maharajji has shown us a path of love, devoid of rituals and formalities. Something we can follow at any age, anywhere, and at any time. But we must start walking with determination and practice our sadhana sincerely. Come to Radha Madhav Dham again and again, not because Hari Guru is not present at home, but because our mind is weak at home. Maharajji himself has said, Radha Krishna permeate every particle of this divine dham. There are reminders of Maharaj Ji's physical presence everywhere here.
I feel inspired when I come to sadhana shivir. Then I go home and lose it.
Then come back so you can reignite that devotional spark. Maharaj Ji is always there to help us.
इसलिए अभ्यास करना है। आपको 5 मिनट का समय मिले, अभ्यास कर लो। 2 मिनट का समय है हमारे पास खाली, कर लो, तो साधना से ही साध्य मिलेगा। साधना करो और उसमें भगवान और गुरु की कृपा रियलाइज करो, लेकिन करो, टाइम बर्बाद न करो। जितना समय पेट भरने के लिए जरूरी है उतना समय संसार को दो, बाकी टाइम का उपयोग करो, भगवत विषय में लगाओ, तो बहुत जल्दी हम आगे बढ़ जाएंगे अंतःकरण की शुद्धि की ओर। और अगर मर गए बीच में तो जो साधना की हमारी स्पीड है वो हमको फिर मनुष्य बना देगी, और फिर कोई गुरु मिल जाएगा या हमारा वही पुराना गुरु दूसरा रूप धारण करके आ जाएगा और हमको फिर आगे बढ़ाएगा। अंधेर नहीं है भगवान के यहाँ कि बीच में छोड़ दिया गुरुजी ने, ऐसा नहीं होता। वो सदा के लिए हमारा साथ देता है भगवत प्राप्ति तक।
Check the phone first.
No, today Radhe first. Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Asha, reply sharply. He insulted you.
No. Maharaji says God is present in everyone. Radha Rani is watching. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Now I should start my sadhana.
अरे डू कीर्तन लेटर, एंजॉय नाउ। कुछ बैलेंस भी तो होना चाहिए लाइफ में।
When the mind is with Giridhar, even one small corner becomes Vrindavan.
My mind keeps going towards Maya. No, today, Kirtan.
When the thread breaks, join it again and continue.
I forgot Radhe Naam. Wait, let me start again. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
Let's not go to Radha Madhav Dham this weekend. You can do the same thing at home.
At home, I say I will do it, and then I don't. I need satsang. I need to be at the dham. I need that fire.
Some people met Maharaj Ji, but still don't do that much sadhana. Why are you trying so hard?
Their carelessness cannot be my standard. Maharaj Ji's Agya is my standard. Maharaj Ji, today my mind wandered many times, but I remembered you more than yesterday. Please keep your kripa on me so I keep trying sincerely.
Slowly, Asha began to understand. Devotion was not a feeling to wait for. It was a practice to begin. Guru's presence was not missing. Her own remembrance was missing. As she intensified her practice, one day during Kirtan, the words entered deeper than before.
Meditate on Radha and Radha Raman. They are my true mother and father. They are my true beloved. They are everything to me. Radhe, Radhe.
साचो सुख जग न मना सुख घन राधा रमना
साचो सुख जग न मना सुख घन राधा रमना।
आशा,
Didi, for the first time, I did not feel Maharaj Ji is far. I felt he has been waiting for me to follow what he has already given. Also saw a glimpse of Radha Krishna with Sakhis in my Roop Dhyan. But Didi, will I reach?
If we keep following Maharaj Ji's Agya, how can we not reach? Shabri reached, Meera reached, Kabir reached, Jeev Goswami reached. They reached because they followed Guru Agya with full faith and complete surrender.
Hold Guru's Agya. Clean the path every day. One day, Shri Ram will come.
Make Giridhar yours alone, and you will never be alone.
Let every breath carry the name given by Guru.
Do not just collect memories, turn Guru's grace into surrender.
Maharaj Ji, I will never question your presence again. I have your Agya, your name, your Kirtan, your Dham. With your Kripa, I will try with all my heart and mind to follow your instructions and feel your divine presence all the time.
On Rath Yatra, Radharani comes out to grace the souls. But the chariot we must truly prepare is the mind. Sweep it like Shabri. Make it exclusive like Meera. Fill every breath with Naam like Kabir. Turn one glimpse of grace into lifelong surrender like Jeev Goswami. Guru's grace is not limited by the physical body. His words are alive. His teachings are alive. His kirtans are alive. His dham is alive. And above all, his agya is alive. Following Guru's agya is true living association.
The soul who remembers us with longing is never forgotten by us. The soul who follows Guru's Agya is already walking towards us.
बोलिए श्री रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की जय। रथ यात्रा महोत्सव की जय। श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जगत गुरुत्तम श्री कृपालु जी महाराज की जय। जय जय श्री राधे। जय जय श्री राधे।